给泰国邻居看风铃权杖变装。
选出以下变装后最像女王的人。
Let's choose number 3.
Why?
Because she color, hair color. Yes.
Okay. And then?
Number 2 is number 1.
Okay. I choose number 1.
Oh my god. สวยมาก สวยมาก สวยมาก
What else?
All beautiful and she same queen.
Okay. I choose number 2.
Okay. My. สวย but number 1 beautiful more.
Okay. Then I choose number 3.
Can I change?
Why? Why change?
She look beautiful, same, but I talk about queen, right?
Yes.
So it's number 1.
No, it's queen.
ใช่